This is Marcus McCray with DFW Fence Contractor. It's Monday, starting the week. It's Dallas-Fort Worth, so we're Dallas-Fort Worth, you know, everybody knows it's DFW, so we're DFW Fence Contractor. And we've been doing this fencing for quite some time. I'm here at a job site. Just want to check on a crew. It's Monday, and I want to show you the temperature right there. It's 107 outside right now. I'm going to step out and check on the crew and take a look at their job. I stopped at the gas station, picked them up some Gatorades. I'm sure they deserve a lot more than just Gatorades. So here's the truck and trailer. They've started hauling off panels. This customer wanted to keep his panels for some reason. We normally don't do that, but they got the jackhammer out, jackhammering. There's the material with the other truck. What are we doing? Solid rock today? Trejo, this is you, amigo. So back here in the back of the yard, you saw the guys digging in rock, had a jackhammer out. This right here in Fort Worth, Texas is known as Lake Worth. And Lake Worth is known as the area close to the lake. And it's known to be very rocky. This right here is normal when you come to Lake Worth. Lots of rock. Lots of hard digging. One thing about it though, the fence is going to last a long time that way. You set these posts in rock like this, you set yourself a nice true straight line like that right there, that fence will stay like that forever in that hard rock. It'll never move. These are Postmaster posts. We're obviously doing a Western Red Cedar here because we're utilizing Postmasters. We only use Postmasters on our Western Red Cedar fences. I shouldn't say only, because we will put them on a Japanese cedar too. But typically, these are Western Red projects. We offer a lifetime warranty on our Western Red Cedar fences, as long as you maintain a 3-year restain. So this right here is a Postmaster post. Lots of rock. Lots of rock. Lots of no fun digging this fence right here. This team right here has been with me for 16 years. They know their job. They could do this 160 footer typically in a day, but once you get to hitting rock, it does slow them down quite a bit. They will start railing all the rails. They'll be putting a 2x6 footer along the bottom. They've already started laying it out. You got to be real careful when you lay out this footer for too long. Real hot sunny day like this, even though these boards are coming fresh off the trailer, these right here will warp on us pretty quick if we don't hurry up and secure them. That red line right there is your Encore Energy mark. We called utility locates out here to get this marked before we dug. Right here is going to be a gate. There'll be a gate right there. Typically when we have a smaller opening like that, there's going to be a gate. Same thing the guys are doing on the other side. So this one here will be 6 foot tall, Western Red Cedar. It'll be dog-eared with a footer, pre-stained, Oxford Brown by Wood Defender.